how to enable double tap to turn off the screen on your Android. This is a convenient feature that lets you lock your phone without pressing the power button. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Next, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Now, tap Motions and Gestures. Here, look for the option called Double Tap to Turn Off Screen. If you see the option, simply tap the toggle to turn it on. Once it's enabled, go back to your home screen. Just double tap on an empty area of the home screen, and your phone will instantly turn off and lock. Make sure you tap on a blank space, not on an app icon or widget, otherwise the gesture won't work. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable double tap to turn off the screen on your Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android Easy Tech tutorials.